We have a mystery box today. What's inside this mystery box? Meet Thronmax Space, the new wireless microphone kit for professional audio. And inside the beautiful box, you get the wireless Air C2 kit, one receiver, two transmitter device, and a set of two lavalier microphones and two windshields, plus a charging cable that you can charge all the receivers and transmitter in one go, TRS and TRRS cables and Android cable, plus a travel case, really small, and everything can fit in here if you don't want to carry this sleek mystery box. So as with all my wireless microphone reviews, of course, you're hearing me 100% unedited sound directly from Thronmax Space microphones. So how is the sound? So it's up to you guys to judge whether it's suitable for you guys or not, but we have a lot of features that are so exciting with Thronmax Space. So right now I do have both transmitters on me on my dress. These transmitters actually sit on my dress, which is actually very light, really well, no crease, no out of shape, etc. They sit beautifully on my dress, so I'm sure it will sit beautifully on your blouse, your shirt, and so on. And the transmission that the receiver receives, and right now the receiver is connected to my Sony Alpha 6400 camera. This is the raw sound that you're getting, and you are able to enjoy their signature Series 4 2.4 GHz, which means you can enjoy the signal up to 80 meters in distance.
Alright, so right now I'm in the outdoor, and this is probably the only sound that you're just hearing me from, like mobile phone, no mic. Then you can compare the impact of actually using Thronmax. So let me quickly set it up. Alright, so you're finally hearing me from the camera. Because it's outdoor, it's a little bit breezy, not that breezy today, but okay, still. I can definitely make sure to have the windshield on. So here what I'm gonna do is do the outdoor mic test. There are a lot of birds. It's not a noisy urban area, but there are some events going on, and also there are lots of birds singing. So hopefully you guys can pick up my voice crystal clear. So what I'm gonna do is actually go as far back at the end, and it should be around 80 meters. So let's see whether it works. So see you. I have to make sure that I'm in line of sight. So, okay, so I'm gonna run, but I am sort of trying to be off the grass because there are mites. Okay, I need to just blab on to see whether the mic works, and I'm also running as well. So, can you guys see my camera? So what I'm gonna do, so I've reached to the end, and now I'm going to run back and see and check whether the microphone worked totally fine. So yeah, I'm back. I've run a little bit, so running out of breath as well. Here I am back. Let me check. So I've just checked the result, and yes, you can get up to 80 meters for sure, but you make sure you need to be in line of sight, and the sound was very clear. And it's certainly very convenient having this tiny little travel case because it places all the mics beautifully and very carefully, including the windshields, as well as enough room for cables, which you can zip up a little pocket. And yes, I'm ready to go out shooting on an adventure. Just put this in my backpack. So these transmitters, they are omnidirectional, but if you want to be even more discreet, the entire kit does have a lavalier microphone that I've shown you before. So let me connect these lav mic so you can hear for yourselves whether you like the sound. It's very long, so it will be really practical. So right now I've placed two lav mic on me, so you guys can definitely hear from both transmitters onto the receiver. How is the sound? Is that much different from the main transmitter? And it is super handy. It's even lighter weight, so it definitely does not change the shape of my dress or anything. So it's super, really handy if you're going for interview, content creation, anything, singing, etc. The great thing about Thronmax Space kit in this box is that it comes with all the cables that you need for you to connect with any devices, such as mobile phone, which is
now like the most important camera that we have right now. So I already have the cable connected to my Sony camera right now because you are hearing me from the Sony camera, and there are 2 other extra cable, which is perfect. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my S10 Plus, which does still have the microphone jack, the earphone jack, and I can just quickly connect it to my mobile phone and get the good quality sound onto my phone video. Hey guys, so right now I'm on my mobile phone, and you are definitely hearing me from Thronmax Space, which is connected to the receiver, which is connected to my mobile phone directly. Because of the clip-on, it is perfect size. It's like universal size for any gimbal or call sheet mount, so it fits perfectly. So how is the sound? With the mobile phone, you can definitely get all this direct sound from your lips onto your video, so it makes editing super duper simple. And you know, right now you are hearing me from both transmitters. So what I had is the second mic on the second channel, first mic on the first channel, but you can combine it so that it becomes mono recording. So in the receiver, you just need to press, and I've muted this microphone so you can see the beeping of the blue light indicator. So very easy to understand what's going on. So right now you're hearing me from just one transmitter. You can actually completely go on to the power saving mode, which is just press. Yes, and now it's on the power save. So you can always save up on the energy, on the battery of the transmitter. But mind you, the total operating time is up to 8 hours. So you have absolutely no problem in recording, interview, YouTube contents, and so on. I mean, who needs 8 hours, right? Because it is a long time. However, if you want to still save some juice, if you're traveling around the world or something, then you can go on to power saving mode. So for newer devices, if you want to use Type-C, then yes, it comes with this cable where it connects the analog signal into US Type-C. But for my new S23 Ultra, it actually uses digital signal. So you want to use Type-C to Type-C cable, which you can get it so easily off anywhere. So I'm actually using Type-C to Type-C cable, which actually come within the box of mobile phone. So it's so easy to get. So you can definitely use Thronmax Space with the latest phone like what I have without any problem. Yes. So wow, we now have another strong competitor in the wireless microphone market, and Thronmax Space is worth considering. So if you want more detail, of course, check the link down below. And as finale, you are hearing me from the lav mic, which is connected to one transmitter, and also another transmitter which does have the windshield on, which is included in the package. And these are actually recording in the mono recording mode in the receiver. So you have so much flexibility in the whole package. You can go indoor, outdoor, and they all fit into this little travel bag, which is also included in the package. And I'll be back with other interesting gadget reviews. So please subscribe, like the video, and see you.